about the impedance transformer. Okay, so that is impedance matching or impedance transferring device. Impedance matching or impedance transferring transformer. Okay, so what do you want to know? What is the impedance? Okay, that means the opposition of the alternating current to the circuit. So the current which is flowing through a circuit, it is get opposed by terms of what? There are some components in the circuit. Okay, so the circuit, of course, there will be what? It will not be straight connected wires around will not be there. There will be some components. Along with that, who is there? The connecting wires is there. So due to the presence of components as well as the connecting wires, who is going to be there means resistance. The resistance, what does it will do? The resistance will resist the flow of current. What is the purpose of a resistor or a resistance? It will resist the flow of current. So due to the presence of components and the connecting wires, what is being generated? The resistance is getting increased. So due to the increase in the resistance, we are going to be reduced. The flow of current is getting reduced. So if the current is reduced, what is the relation between this power and this current? P equal to V into I. So this current is getting reduced. Who is going to be reduced then? The overall power value is going to be getting reduced. So in order to maintain this and in order to match this, who is going to be present here? The impedance transformer we are going to present it. So if we place the impedance transformer in the circuit, what is going to do? It will compensate with the value of that particular current which is being getting reduced. Okay, so that is the applications of impedance transformer. So first what you have to write? First you want to know what is the impedance. It is the oppositions of the alternating current to the circuit. Next, what it is due to the components as well as the wires in the circuit, resistance is what it is getting? Resistance is getting increases. Okay, so therefore the flow of current is getting decreases. Automatically what happens? The power value of the circuit is getting decreases. So to compensate this, who is going to be present here? The impedance matching or impedance transferring device is going to be used. Clear? The next application of it, our day-to-day life applications in air conditioner. In air conditioner circuit, there will be a transformer. Okay, for Y means there will be a line voltage which we are getting from the pole. Okay, the pole there is a AC line is passing, we will be getting a single phase as well as a neutral to what? To our AC. Okay, the line voltage, what does it will do? It will fluctuate. At some point it will be high. It cannot be constant. Like DC, it will not be always constant like 220 volt. If it is not constant, it will raise up to 220 or it may it will lower up to 220 or it may raise up to 235 likewise. Okay, so the fluctuation of the voltages will be there. So to compensate it, who is going to be present there? Means a transformer is going to be. For example, see this look at this. This is a line voltage. Okay, this line voltage is from our pole. You are seeing it, right? The line voltage. So what is going to be present next to it means a small transformer in the device. This transformer, what does it will do? It will compensate with the voltage that is required for your AC. Have you ever noticed if you look at your book, there will be a 3D diagram for this display. Okay, so there will be a this display will shows you how much of voltage your AC is driving. If you have noticed that in this much, out O this much, it will shows like this. Have you ever noticed that? In the near to your AC, if there is a stabilizer or if there is a display unit, if there is a display unit in digital, okay, so it will be noted that in this much of voltage, out this much of voltage, it will represent like this, okay, which means the line voltage that in is around 235 or 233 means it is high, but my AC doesn't want that. Okay, so it will compensate to that what we require 230 volt. Okay, so for that purpose we are having a transformer in our AC for air conditioners. Okay, so along with that, these are the concepts about AC. Who will be there? Is there is a relay. Next, what is that? Two fans will be there. One is the indoor fan. Through the have you ever noticed that the air being pushed by a fan which is present just behind the in your AC. Okay, when if anybody is coming to do the AC service, you ever notice that they will remove the part. Inside there is a small fan. Okay, that is a big indoor fan. Okay, apart from that, What is there? Outside of the home, we will be placing a compressor as well as a fan over there. In a small rectangular box. Okay, that is what outdoor fan. Okay, so two fans will be present. One is indoor fan, which will push the cooling air towards the room. Okay, one is outside the home. There is be a fan. What it will do? It will push the air towards the atmosphere. Okay, then heat hot air. Okay, the hot air, the remaining hot air will be pushed into the atmosphere. Along with it, who is going to be present there? The compressor. What it will do? The compressor will rotate the motors. Okay, so it will do what? It will only generate the cooling air. Okay, so whenever room, if your room is closed for a certain period of time, you can say see some silence in your AC. Whenever the room is open for a few minutes, what happens? Automatically the AC starts. Some sound is there, right? The compressor starts rotating. That is how the AC is going to function. Clear? So these are the two relays will be present to the fan along with the going to be present. The compressor is there, and these are the contactors between the compressor as well as the line voltage. Okay, this is a AC will be present. Here we are going to study the application of transformer to our AC system. Okay, so the next application is stabilizer. Okay, so stabilizer, what is the function of a stabilizer? First you want to know. Stabilizer will stabilize. Okay, stabilizer will know what input signal your household appliances want it. Okay, for example, if the fridge, if the stabilizer will know for fridge how much of voltage and current should be there. Okay, so it will result that the function of stabilizer will take that input signal from the household appliances. Then it will compensate with the what is happening. The household appliances will work at certain input signal. Clear? For input voltage or current. Okay. So from the line voltage there will be a voltage and current. Okay. The stabilizer have to stabilize these two, and it will pull back to the household appliances. If it is a fridge, it will give that constant voltages over there. Okay, so this is done by what? In the stabilizer, there will be a small transformer that will regulate the voltage or the current which the household appliances want. Clear? These are the next three applications of the transformer. Okay. Next two application of transformers, one is in rectifiers and one is what? Optimize the voltage level. Okay, so rectifiers you have already done in the lab. Half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. We told you what rectifier, what does it do? No. Rectifier converts what current to what? AC to DC. Okay, so rectifier converts AC to DC. From the plug only we have given to the RPS, okay, that is we have converted the AC to DC. Okay, rectifier circuit, what does it do? It will convert AC to DC. From the plug point, where have we given? We have given to the what is there? The small. I showed you one component. I showed you one component. I showed you the transfer of voltages from the component. What is that? Transferring of voltage, I am saying. What is the device transferring the voltage?
Transformer.
Transformer. So from the plug point, from the two terminal, I have connected to where? To a? No one remember that. A plug point to a which device we are given to the transformer. What does it does? The 230 volt is converted to transfers to how much of voltage? It is step down transformer. I have told you, the transformer that is present. I show you that showed the transformer. That what has been written there? Step down. Is it is written as step down transformer or the ratings of the transformer? How many ratings is there? Here itself I have given 9 volt, 909. Do you remember that? In the transformer, what has it written? It is written as 9 hyphen 0 again 9. Okay, what is it doing? It is stepping down the voltages. For what reason it is stepping down? The rectifier circuit has what components? You can see here itself and say what component does it have? What is this element called? Diode. So So it is a diode rectifier which it converts what to what? It converts AC to DC. Will the diode work at a high voltage? So it requires just 9 volt. Okay, but what does we have on our household pre-plug point? 230 volt. That is to be reduced. That is to be lowered to that 9 volt. So we supplied the transformer supplied that. So from the plug point I have given to the transformer. The transfers the 230 volt to 9 volt. So from that we have given to the next connected element circuit. Okay, that is the rectifier circuit. Diode we are using for rectification, for converting AC to DC. That is diode rectifier to convert AC to DC. Okay, so here we have seen the bridge rectifier. Okay, so the bridge rectifier circuit will be like this. 4 rectifiers are connected in this like structure. Okay, so if here is the input, now this is the input side, phase side. So the current is going to transfer through this diode. Okay, and next towards where? To this connection. Next towards the load. The load may be either an LED bulb or any glowing device or any rotating device. Okay, for example, you are seeing serial light bulb, right? So there is a small rectangular box which is already designed. A small rectangular box in the initial stage. Have you ever noticed that? You have plugged in the connection for a serial bulb. Serial bulb. You are decorating some sort of something. Okay. So there is a serial bulb you are buying. If you have noticed that there is a rectangular box near to the wire. Before the serial bulb start, LED bulb start ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னால ஒரு rectangular boxல ஒன்னு இருக்கும்.
கனெக்ஷன் ரெண்டு வயர் ஒரு வயர்.
Before that, I am saying what is that rectifier? Where is this diode rectifier present? Where is bridge rectifier present? If some serial bulb is broken, you take that box open and see. Okay, you will be noticed that 4 diodes are connected in this nature. I will show you the diode structure, right? How it is. What is the terminals of the diode? Anode, positive and negative. You will say like that. What is the terminals of the diode? Anode, cathode. Okay, so which is anode? If it is like this, okay, full black as well as here is the white. So which is anode, which is cathode in the diode? Which is anode, which is cathode? The shaded part is black. This part is white. Which is anode? This is anode. This part is cathode. So if you have noticed that small rectangular box which is being present before the LEDs which is connected in the serial bulb, you can notice that 4 diodes are connected in this like structure. 4 diodes. Okay, so the operation of it is the current flows through the diode. You can name it as diode 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So the current flow of current will pass through diode 1 to the load. Next through this, the diode D1 will D3 will conduct again to the circuit will close. Yeah, this load may be either LED or some other sort of glowing device or rotating device. Clear? So in order to explain this, we will explain this rectifier circuit in the last unit. Okay. Now for application of transformer, we have to say this alone. Okay. That is what it is doing for a rectifier circuit. The requirement of voltage is low. To step down that low voltage, what we are applying? We are going for a transformer. Clear? The next is optimize the voltage level. You know, optimize the voltage level means what? Based on our application devices. We will be having some device. It will work at certain voltage ranges, right? So what we have to do? We have to optimize. We have to gain that. We have to condense that particular voltage, right? For that, we want to go for 2 types of transformers. Either or you need to. If I want the higher voltage level, means I will be going for the step up. What I already told you basically. Okay, step up transformer and step down transformer. That is optimize the voltage level. Transformer tend to what? It will either amplify or condense any part of the input signal or generate or and it generates what? Input signal and it generates what? Output to the desired device. What our device required. Transformer will provide that. Okay. If your device want higher voltage, your input is lower means you can add a step up transformer. Okay, like rectifier. My rectifier will act only in 9 voltage, but I am having 230 voltage from my plug point. To whom we are going to connect a step down transformer. Okay, and will be decided. Step up transformer will pump up the voltage level. Step down transformer will lower the voltage level. How will we differ these two? Step up transformer, the windings of the secondary winding. Step up, right? So this is going to be larger. Step up, voltage here lower, here higher. Windings here is lesser, here it is greater. Clear now? And here for step down transformer, primary windings will be higher, second is step down. Okay, this winding is going to get it reduced here. Step down. Okay, this is how the step down and step up transformer will get it different from each other. Okay, clear with that both the cases rectifiers. What is the transformer doing? It is stepping down the voltage for the rectifier to operate in certain voltage level. Okay, and next is the optimization of the voltage level.